Look at my dog fighting over a toy. Two Scotties, y'all. One on like the other one playing with the toy. Like they fighting over the toy. They're the same kind of dog. Oh my God. They do this all the time. Prince, King. King is the little thick one. Prince is the skinny Scotty. King is the thick Scotty. Prince is the skinny Scotty. King is the thick Scotty. He has blue mohawk. He's going to get blue, dyed blue too. But I just got him. I just adopted him actually. So I have two Scotties. Two boys. One, two. Just turned 2. 1. They're bad. Who's going to go? King gave up.